Hi everyone, in this video I will talk about e-commerce in the world and future of the e-commerce, and also I will talk about selling on Amazon by using fulfillment by Amazon system. Let's begin our lecture. My friends, e-commerce in the world growing very fastly. In this video I will talk about firstly e-commerce in the world, and then I will talk about how important to be selling on Amazon. Because Amazon is the most valuable and biggest company in the world, Amazon is not just an e-commerce platform. It's a huge technology company. Let's begin e-commerce in the world and what's the future of e-commerce. As you see in the chart, in 2019, e-commerce sales reached 3.5 trillion US dollars. As you see in the chart, in 2014, it's just $1.3 billion and it's growing very fastly. I think this chart more exponentially growing because of the coronavirus pandemic. Online retail websites such as Amazon, eBay, Etsy gain so many traffic because of the coronavirus pandemic. Because a lot of people staying at home and ordering items online. In the past, they usually purchase in these products in the store, in the physical stores. But after coronavirus, they will always use the online method of purchasing. As you see the another chart, and Amazon.com had almost 1.2 billion visitors in June 2020. You can see the others, eBay.com, Apple.com, Walmart, Etsy. These are huge amounts. These are very important statistics. I get from these statistics from statista.com. You can look at all these statistics from these websites. Of course, as you see in this chart, the online purchases can be online marketplaces, retail websites, brand websites, or other digital purchase points. The half of the online purchases from the online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, eBay. Let's look at Amazon statistics, the leading retail websites in the world. As I said before, Amazon is not just an e-commerce platform, it has so many companies, and I think the Amazon company is a tech company. Let's look at some statistics. Amazon company has 840,000 employees now, but it expects to be over 1 million in 2021. As you see in the another chart, the online visitors of Amazon.com is growing very exponentially. In nowadays, in 2020 September, Amazon.com has 2.4 billion visitors monthly. Also, you can look at these statistics by using SimilarWeb Chrome extension. Go to the Amazon.com and use the SimilarWeb Chrome extension. Yes, let's look at the extension. Monthly visitors of Amazon.com is seen on this website. In September, 2.4 billion visitors, and in the October 2020, 2.6 billion visitors come to the Amazon.com monthly. It's very huge amount. It's just Amazon.com also. You can look at the other Amazon marketplaces such as Amazon Germany. In the Amazon Germany, monthly visits of over 500 million visitors. Also, you can look at Amazon UK. It has over 400 million people visits this website. In the statistics, this platform, this Amazon platform, the most visited e-commerce property in the United States. Online retail sales in the United States constantly growing, my friends. In the first quarter of 2020, e-commerce sales account for 11.8% of retail sales in the United States. It's very important statistics. Let's look at another important point about the Amazon company. The Amazon company net revenue is growing also very exponentially. In 2004, it's just $6.9 billion, but let's look at these numbers. $280 billion net revenue. In 2019, Amazon is the most valuable company in the world. I think the Amazon will grow likely, and as the statistician says, in 2020, Amazon net revenue will be over $350 billion, and it expected to be in the 2022 over $500 billion. And let's look at the Amazon usage in the United States mostly. As you know, my friend, most popular online shopping platform in the US is Amazon.com. But there are important factors about the reasons of the users choose the Amazon marketplaces. Yes, what are the reasons for the internet users, buyers in the United States to shop on Amazon.com? The first reason and important reason is the fast and free shipping. The customers use Amazon.com because this reason is very important: fast and free shipping. 79% of the users says the most important point is fast and free shipping. Let's look at the others. They sell everything I need, I'm a Prime member, best pricing, easy returns process, best digital shopping experience, product reviews and recommendations, unique items I can find elsewhere, proactive communication during delivery. As you see, my friend, the most important point is the customer satisfaction. Amazon thinks customer at first. Because of this, Amazon gained customers' loyalty. Yes, so Amazon is growing, and Amazon is a very important marketplace in the United States. And what others? What Amazon doing in the other marketplaces? Maybe you know, my friend, Amazon have marketplaces Europe, Asia and Pacific, and Middle East, Turkey, Singapore, Brazil. When you open an account on America, you can sell on Amazon.com, Amazon Canada, Amazon Mexico, Amazon Brazil, and also you can sell Middle East, Amazon United Arab Emirates, Amazon Turkey. Also you can sell your products in Asia Pacific area, Amazon Japan, Amazon India, Amazon Australia, and Amazon Singapore. And the most important marketplaces: Amazon UK, Amazon Germany, Amazon France, Italy, Spain, and Netherlands. As you understand, my friend, Amazon has so many marketplaces in the world. You can sell your products on Amazon marketplaces. As you understand by this point, my friend, Amazon is a great marketplace and Amazon is a great company. If you want to sell on Amazon, you have to know the FBA model, FBA system, fulfillment by Amazon system. If you are selling on Amazon by using this system, you have so many benefits, and I will describe these benefits in the next lecture. We will talk about fulfillment by Amazon system and benefits of FBA system. See you in the next lecture.